Welcome to Pumptec service videos. Today we'd like to go over winterizing the Pumptec pumps for the winter. Start off, take your regulator and dial the regulator back so that you're not feeling any pressure on the spring. Disconnect your inlet from your tank or whatever water supply you have. Start your pump, run your pump until you have air coming out of your regulator. Then disconnect your outlet line and keep running the pump until air comes out of that. And then open your prime valve too and make sure that air comes out of that. Now you've emptied your pump of water, and that's pretty much all you need to do to winterize. Some of the plastic components, like this regulator, I would remove this gauge and make sure that I pump or pour the water out of this gauge. And also, like your inlet line strainers, make sure you take the bowl off and dump out the water out of your line strainers. You should be ready to go for winter. That's all you need to do to winterize the pumps. Just make sure they're empty of water.